Is your PF claim rejected due to wrong bank account? Here's how to update it correctly. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will cover 5 important steps to understand how to change your bank account in the PF portal. Make sure watch till the end because I will share some important notes and common mistakes that can lead to bank update rejection. Let's start with step 1. What is PF bank account update? Your bank account must be active and verified in the PF account to receive claim settlements. The PF bank update is the process of adding and changing your bank account details in the EPFO portal. You need to update your bank account in the following situations. If your old bank account is closed and inactive, if you changed your job or salary account, if your bank account is not active or not verified, your PF claim may be rejected or delayed. Step 2. Requirements before applying. Before you begin, make sure you have the following: Aadhaar linked mobile number for OTP, bank account number with correct IFSC code. Step 3. PF Bank Update Portal Demo. Login into UAN portal. The link I will share it in the description. Enter UAN number, then enter UAN password, then click sign in to login. The second factor authentication is required. The OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Once received, enter it here. Then click submit to continue. This is UAN dashboard. In UAN dashboard, go to manage. Then you will find that option KYC. Click KYC. Above you can see add KYC. Step 4. Approval process. Here you have the option to change bank, PAN and passport. Here I am going to change my bank account number. The name appear in PF portal. You have to check the name match with the new bank account. If the name is not match, request will be rejected. Enter the new bank account number. Then re-enter the bank account number to confirm. Then enter the bank IFSC code. Then click verify IFSC. Once verified, then click OK. Then click this checkbox and then click save. The OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. Once received, enter it here. Then click submit. Once you initiate successfully, you will get a notification from your mobile. You have initiated the request for changing the present bank account from PF portal. So you will get the notification the bank account number verification is under process. The notification has been sent to your mobile. Then scroll down under KYC pending for approval. You will find the document has been submitted and status tab. The verification is under process. If you want to check the status of your change bank account in dashboard, go to manage, then click KYC. Then scroll down under KYC pending for approval. You will find that status. You can check the status here. How long the bank account will take update in PF portal? Updating the bank account in the PF EPFO portal usually takes 3 to 7 working days. Note, you cannot change bank details while a claim is pending or in process. Step 5. Important notes and common points. Employer approval not required. Effective from April 2025. Employer approval is no longer required for bank account change request. No physical documents. You do not need to upload a check, leaf or a bank passbook in your bank account change request. Multiple accounts. You can add multiple bank accounts, but you can only set only one active account for withdrawals. And that's it about the video, friends. If you find some value, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.